Hello and welcome back to KM Webworks. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can add a custom domain to your Shopify website. To attach a custom domain, first of all, you need to purchase a domain name. You can use any domain registrar for purchasing your domain, for example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. So once you have your domain, then you can connect it to Shopify. In this example, I am going to use Namecheap and I already have a domain name on Namecheap. I will provide the links for the domain registrar in the description of the video so you can use any of them and you can purchase your domain name. Once you have a domain name, then you will be able to follow this video so you can connect that domain name with your hosting on Shopify. So let's go to Namecheap, and here you can see Namecheap screen on my desktop, and here I will go to manage. Here first of all make sure this is set to basic DNS. If it's not, just change it. And here you can see now it is basic DNS. Now let's go to advanced DNS. Here we will need to add some records. Click on add record, click on a record, and here just type what I am doing, just type @ and here IP address that we will have to use here we will have to use the Shopify IP address. So just enter this IP address that I am adding. It is same for all of the Shopify websites. Just enter this IP address over here and here select 30 mint and then click on check mark, then add this new record. This is a CNAME record and here write www and here just write this value that I am writing. You have to add both of these record in the exact same way with 30 min TTL. So once done, make sure they are correct and click on the check mark so they are updated. It can take up to 48 hours to update all around the world. Mostly it updates within a few hours. So now let's come to Shopify, go to settings. So here you need to go to domains and click on connect existing domain. Then here you will have to enter your domain name. So just copy your domain name and add it over here. Click on next and here click on verify. It will verify the connection. Here you can see it says successfully connected and it can take some time to update globally. Maybe in your case it says that it's not currently on pending or something, so you just need to wait and it will be automatically added. So that's it for this video. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. See you next time.